Have you ever had a date that you wanted to know what was 6 months before that date, or maybe a month after the date, and you didn't want to sit and figure it out yourself? Guess what? Excel can do that for you. So I'm Tina with Excelling Your Business, and let me show you how to do that, how easy it actually is. All right, I've got some dates here. I've set this up as a table already. So 6 months before. So there's a formula called eDate, and you just type in ED and eDate comes up. You hit your tab key, you click on the date you want, put in a comma, and I want 6 months before, so it's a -6, and the closing parenthesis, and hit enter. And then I can fill that in. If you have a table, yours will probably fill in. So these are all exactly 6 months prior to these dates. And it takes into account different things, and so it's all set for you. If you wanted to do 14 days before, it's just equals, pick the date, and -14. And those will fill in as well for you, and they will populate for that. If you wanted to do 1 month in the future, or maybe 2 months in the future, whichever it was, I'm going to do equals eDate again, because eDate returns the date with the number of months that you want to calculate out. So because this is in the future, it's a +1, so I don't need the plus. Excel already knows that. And then I can hit enter, and it will put in that closing parenthesis for me, and I can overwrite those. Now, something else that you could do is conditional format these. So if I go into conditional format on my home tab and do highlight cell rules and a date occurring, and I do the drop down, and I could say this week or next week. I'm going to go with next week because I think I have something in there. Oh, I do not. I thought I did. But let me see. What have I got? 2/15/24. That was last week. All right, so let me change that. And we can go to a date occurring. And we can go last week. I know I have one in there. So right now it's highlighting red. You can change that color. Doesn't matter. I could do for the month. So that's another conditional format. You can do date occurring. And I can say this month. And then I can change this color to be green. So, actually, I thought I had 2 of them. Oh, no, that was 2-1. I thought I seen a 2-1 somewhere. I guess not. Oh, that's 2025. That's where I seen the 2-1. So that's actually next year. So I could do next month. I could do a couple different things. So just playing with this as you come in every day, it would update the dates. So if I put in another one from 8:30, it already has the formulas in there. I can make that hide until I put a date in here. But if I put in 8/30 of this year, this will automatically highlight. And you can see it's taking into account for leap year, so it's paying attention to what that date is. And as I do that, Excel will automatically set everything up for you. So that's a little tutorial on how to do dates within Excel. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me, Tina with Excelling Your Business, your wizard of automation. I help you make complicated spreadsheets easy to do. Have a great day.